Welcome back to RV Road Report. Today we're checking out the incredible 2026 Nissan Camper Van Motorhome, a rugged long-body 4x4 adventure van finished in stunning vibrant white. Stay with us until the end as we explore every corner of this luxury camper and reveal its impressive $240,000 price tag. Exterior front view. Here it is, standing proudly inside the Nissan showroom. The bold front grille, signature Nissan logo, LED matrix headlights, muscular bumper, skid plate, and aggressive 4x4 stance immediately show this camper is built for both luxury touring and serious off-road adventures. Top side view. Looking from above, the roof is designed for complete self-sufficiency. High-efficiency solar panels charge the onboard batteries, while the rooftop air conditioning unit, satellite antenna, roof vents, and storage rails ensure you're comfortable and connected wherever your journey takes you. Rear view. The rear is perfectly organized for adventure. A full-size spare tire is securely mounted on the back door, alongside a sturdy bicycle carrier ready for weekend rides. Bright LED taillights, a rear-view camera, tow hitch, and easy access storage make every trip more convenient. Side view. On the passenger side, a powered retractable awning creates the perfect outdoor living space. Comfortable camping chairs and a folding table fit easily underneath, turning any campsite into a relaxing patio, while the large side windows bring plenty of natural light inside. Driving compartment. Step into the cockpit and you'll find a premium driver-focused cabin. The large digital instrument cluster, touchscreen infotainment system, multifunction steering wheel, luxury captain seats, and two dedicated LED displays, including one for the rear camera, make driving both safe and enjoyable. Sitting and sleeping area. Behind the driver's cabin is a beautifully designed lounge featuring a comfortable sofa that quickly transforms into a spacious bed. Overhead cabinets, reading lights, USB charging ports, panoramic windows, and clever storage solutions make this compact space feel surprisingly open and relaxing. Kitchen. The compact kitchen is fully equipped for life on the road. It includes a modern induction cooktop, stainless steel sink, microwave, refrigerator, soft close cabinets, pull-out drawers, and generous countertop space, allowing you to prepare meals almost anywhere. Washroom. Despite its compact size, the washroom is impressively functional. You'll find a cassette toilet, foldable sink, mirror cabinet, shower system, waterproof walls, roof ventilation, and smart storage compartments that maximize every inch of available space. The 2026 Nissan Camper Van Motorhome combines luxury, off-road capability, and practical living into one incredible package, carrying an estimated price of $240,000. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Would you choose this camper for your next adventure? Force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment.